Hello guys and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video I want to show you my dad's property. He lives off-grid lifestyle right in here. He's going to be building himself like a log cabin back over there in the woods. 4x4 Sprinter. This is where he's driving. You know, this territory. You could definitely tell lots of dirt. This is a special 4x4 Sprinter that was a special order. $65,000 van, which is extra long in the back. Obviously got a window there, another one on that other side, and it's a dually. My dad lives off-grid here.
Я не знаю. В одну сторону і в другу. Ну, розбили. Ну, його щас нету, правда.
Это красиво все. Hey guys, check out this cool trailer. Like, this is a car trailer. This is for hauling cars, like as a business, and there's actually, you could live in it and you could have like a kitchen and bed and everything inside. It's really cool. This is actually off-grid living here. My dad's planning to build a house down here in the woods, and he's just basically getting situated over here. He bought it like not too long ago. Big property, lots of stuff. He's got like 3 trailers here, a truck, and like 3 RVs. Well, 1 RV, like 2 campers, and lots of property. Let me show you some beekeeper stuff, and he had like a lot more bees than this, but this is all that's left. So there's actually some bees inside over here. I don't know if they're gonna be surviving. Some apple trees. So here's this RV over here. Oh yeah, what I wanted to tell you about that RV, my dad actually won it for $1,100 at a car auction, which is very, very cheap. And that other RV, I believe, was like $15,000. Of course, this is a $65,000 van. This is definitely a pretty cool property. It's almost 5 acres. He's going to build his home over there, kind of like in the woods, like with that big retaining wall, like that area. And it's going to be overlooking the mountains. He's going to move all these vans and stuff out of the way. They're just back here while he's building. So when he's going to be done building his house, he's actually going to live there. And of course, beautiful German Shepherd. Hey, shaboka, shaboka. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, beautiful dog, aren't you? Beautiful dog. But anyways, he's got a tractor back here to help level the playing field. I'll show you inside of that RV that you could actually haul cars like for a business, but it's like a huge surprise. It only costs $1,100 at an auction. You know, it's a little bit roughed up, you know, along the edges because it was like an accident. But man, like, it's kind of nice. Some damages here, which is like nothing, and that wheel is a little bit slanted, so that's got to be fixed. That tire's got to be fixed, and then here is the inside. So let's check this out. Basically, he just got it, and he's using it as like storage for some stuff. Cool, that's like an automatic light over there. So look, like nice cabinetry that goes back here. Nice cabinetry here, some sitting area. And then this is where the car goes. That goes down, move these chairs out of the way, and that's where the car goes. And you could sleep on top over there, which is kind of cool. And it's got a microwave, stove, like a fridge back here. Like, see, there's a fridge. And a sink. And like a actual bed area, and with the bathroom, and like a shower and stuff. I think this is definitely really cool, really cool. I didn't know you could win them for $1,100 because that's like extremely cheap. So I'm thinking I would like to get one if I could get it this cheap and use it as an office. I think that would be really, really great for me. Guys, he rents a home over here nearby, so we're gonna actually go to the home, eat some dinner, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this off-grid lifestyle. There's actually no electricity connected just yet. He's got his own water, his own septic. Let me show you. Here's the water. He insulated it actually. Here's the water. Here's another water thing. And the septic is over there. All that with the septic cost him like $13,000. Well, this is his own well water, basically. So he insulated it so that it's not going to get frozen. Because it's pretty cold. We're here at the rental house. I'll show you that. I mean, the day's kind of, you know, coming to an end. So here's where he's renting, and he lives right up that street. Well, where his other property's at. So this is like a vacation home for rent. Which is pretty cool. Lock up my car. I like this carport. Perfect for parking your car.